All right, so I cleaned the bedroom. Looks like the roof leaked right there, or probably leaks. Probably right at the where it's missing the ridge. They did a custom. Looks like screen door metal job. Anyway, this ain't that bad, but here's that room. Custom paint job, red and blue, or red, white, and blue, I guess. That's fantastic. All right, it's dark in here, but I got my lights. Is that utility dining room? All right. We've reached the. I've cleaned all the rest of the house. All I got to do is haul off the shit to the landfill. But we've reached the place. Hey, I found a nice hammer. I got my lights in here. My battery lights. Damn it, I forgot my hand truck, but I can work around all this. These appliances got to go. They are shitty, but I'm gonna start to clean up. Yeah, there's food everywhere. I guess the roof is leaking here too. But this is just a view of the kitchen before I get started. Look at that cabinet. Spider webs everywhere. I actually talked to the ex-tenant yesterday that lived here and left all this, and he said he just couldn't possibly clean because something was wrong with his wife. So that's why the house is so filthy. They look perfectly fine to me. They're young, late 20s, and just grody to the max. But anyway, the cupboards are full of a bunch of shit. What am I? I'm just stepping on crap. There's a fell over diaper right there. That's nice. I'm not complaining. This is what I do, and I like doing this. But this is a extreme. Watch this oven, spotless. Oh my God, it's full too. What is that powder in there? Oh, something dripped off the sides. But yeah, they left a whole tub of grease. I don't know what to do with that. I guess I'll find a jug or a jar or something and pour it in there and haul it to with the rest of the regular trash. If I could, there's something with the lid right there. Okay. But yeah, it's kind of neat. It's got one of those kitchen little cut out. What do you call those things? I like that. But it's a good place for spiders and all of that stuff. So I'll probably take that down. I'll probably take all these. Well, the plan is simple. I'm just going to pick up all the trash and then see where we go from there. But yeah, so here's the back. Here, this was the back door. I boarded it up. It was just falling in. But here's another view of this bathroom. It's the most disgusting bathroom. Floor is really bad. They built this over a porch, and there's really no crawl space, so I might be just tearing this off and making a new porch out of this or something like that, or I don't know. But it's got a shower curtain, cast iron tub, and yeah, I'm gonna have to come in here dressed like Darth Vader when I get to this point. But it's very terrible. This is a girl's worst nightmare bathroom. There's no shower surround. There's no vent. There's hardly any light. And the sink is, oh, that's original. That's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10 years old. Same with it. Who knows what happened to the tank. Anyway, I would never run this kind of toilet in here. Or a sink. Or I'll keep that cast iron tub, though, for this place. Cast iron is pretty much top of the line, if you ask me. Just got to refinish it, if at all possible. But, yeah. But anyway, that's the bathroom. That's the kitchen. So, It's pretty scuddy, pretty scummy, disgustingly nasty. But I gotta bag it all up. My goal for the week was, well, one day a week, clean one room. And I started in this room, and this is all yard sale shit, or shit I'm gonna haul off, I don't know. That's all the trash. Look at this big ass room, it's nice. It's very nice. And then I cleaned this room, you can't see, but there's just couches and crap in the corner and crap. And this room, it's a pretty good room. And then this room, yeah, which out the window has a view of these folks that live up here. And they got a little chicken house and a bunch of stuff going on, building something. And there's that boy's dog lot. He said he wants his dog lot. Well, by God, come and get it. He doesn't come, if he ain't here within a week, and I get to that point where, because I got bush hog this whole yard. Got to bush hog it. Yep. Hey, there's a little squirrel. A squirrel. I thought there was a bug. It's a booger on the, anyway. So, sorry about the ADD. This is a video for people with ADD. Anyway. Right, that didn't take long at all. Hour and a half, something like that. There's the dryer and the stove. Here's a view of the kitchen now, minus all the junk. There's that dryer, ran with 12 too. But yeah, that's the kitchen. It's a lot bigger. It's not a bad size kitchen. But trying to get a full view of it. I guess that's about all you get. And here's the bathroom. All the trash removed. Nothing cleaned, of course. I'm just bagging up trash. Everything leaks in this thing. There we go. But let's see the plan from here on out. Oh, look at this. I don't know what this is. It's a pickaxe. It's not a Maddox. Because Maddox has two things. One side, both sides are for digging. That one's for like, I don't know. I'm not an expert on it. But anyway, I got a, let's see. Well, there's all the trash here. And I'm pretty much gonna go through that cupboard there. Get all them books and bullshit. I guess I can bag all that crap up. Can't even see. But anyway, that's their stuff. I'll let it sit a week, the old tenant. And that's it. I'm gonna start getting this shit ready to go on the... Holy crap, I had to do a little video on this. This is the greasiest stove I've ever seen. And look at how much junk is in the... That is in the oven. And there's still so much crap packed up in there. Look at all the grease. Holy crap. Look at this was underneath. I've never seen one so bad. These people are only here like a year. It's all the way back there. The trash. That is just, I mean,